Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Have you ever found a kitchen gadget that you didn't know you needed until you had it, and then you don't know how you could live without it? Well, that's exactly how I feel about this adorable countertop bacon grease container. First of all, I love the way it looks. It is so cute. It matches the decor of my kitchen, and I can literally just leave it on the countertop as decor, or I can actually use it to hold delicious bacon grease. It comes in an adorable little package equipped with a durable spatula and a removable strainer. I found the strainer to be very useful for removing unwanted bacon bits from your grease. It was very easy to use, and it didn't get clogged or overflow when I strained my grease. I simply pour the grease from the dish that I cook the bacon on into the strainer part, and in a matter of moments I have delicious bacon grease without any bacon pieces in it. I love that the whole thing can either go in your refrigerator or your countertop, and it's very easy to clean. You can just throw it in the dishwasher. I also love that the material that it's made out of is very durable and it won't chip or break even if I drop it or put scalding hot grease in it. So if you're ready to step up your cooking game, or you're just looking for a cute decor for your farmhouse kitchen, I highly recommend this adorable bacon grease container. And that's my point of view.